In this video, we're going to show you how to fix dimension style overriding not working globally in AutoCAD. Dimension styles are designed to help maintain consistency across a drawing by controlling the appearance of dimensions from a single set of settings. This makes it easy to update text sizes, arrowheads, units, and other dimension properties without modifying dimensions one by one. However, there may be times when you change a dimension style or apply an override and notice that not all dimensions update automatically. Some dimensions may continue displaying old settings, while others reflect the new style. This can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to standardize a large drawing before printing or sharing it with others. Fortunately, the issue is usually related to individual dimension overrides or dimensions that are not using the expected style. The good news is that a few simple checks can usually restore consistent dimension formatting throughout the drawing. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to identify the cause of the problem and apply dimension style changes more effectively. So let's get started. The first method is to verify the dimension style being used. Type dimstyle into the command line and press Enter. In the Dimension Style Manager, select the style you want to use and click Set Current. Then click Modify if you need to adjust any settings and apply the changes. This ensures that new dimensions use the correct style. If existing dimensions are still not updating, select the dimensions and check their properties. Some dimensions may contain individual overrides that prevent them from following the current dimension style. You can remove the overrides or reapply the desired dimension style to those dimensions. After making the changes, regenerate the drawing and review the results. In most situations, these two methods will solve the problem. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, open the dimstyle command and verify that the correct dimension style is set as current. Second, inspect existing dimensions for individual overrides that may be preventing global updates. And third, remove unnecessary overrides and reapply the correct style where needed. Remember that dimension style overrides are designed to customize specific dimensions, but they can sometimes create inconsistencies when you're trying to make drawing-wide changes. Taking a few moments to check dimension properties can help you identify which dimensions are following the style and which ones have been modified individually. Maintaining consistent dimension styles throughout a project can improve drawing quality, simplify revisions, and make documentation easier to manage. It's a simple troubleshooting process, but understanding how dimension styles and overrides interact can save a significant amount of time when working on large drawings. And that's how to fix dimension style overriding not working globally in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.